What's going on, my good people? Mike Hidalgo here. Thank you for joining us on another FCP Euro DIY. Today, we're going to be working on a 2016 Volkswagen Mk7 Golf R. Today, on the Golf R behind me, we're going to be covering how to replace your windshield wiper blades. In front of me, we have two OEM options, both available on fcpeuro.com. We're going to be using some Vallejo blades for the front and a Bosch for the rear. In this video, we're going to cover how to put your vehicle in service mode so that you don't damage your hood, your wipers, or your windshield. One thing to mention on this is these don't really have a service interval. It's really all going to depend on how often you use them and how you store your vehicle. If your car lives outside, these are going to degrade quicker than a car that is garaged all the time, so just keep that in mind. If you see some streaks on the windshield or they're getting noisy and cleaning your windshield doesn't do the trick, it's time to replace your blades. But before we get started, let's talk about the tools we're going to need for this job. Now, easy enough, we're just going to need these bad boys right here. So let's go ahead and get started on this DIY. To put the windshield wiper blades in service mode, you're going to press the start-stop button once without your foot on the brake pedal or clutch pedal. If you're using the key, just turn the key into the position 1. Then you're going to turn off your key and or press the start-stop button one more time. Then you're going to press down once on the windshield wiper stock. And now your blades will be in a vertical position so you can go ahead and service them. To change the blade out, then you're going to want to pull the arm out towards the front of the vehicle, press on the square tab, and lift up and release the wiper blade from the arm. Be mindful when you're doing this job. These can easily swing back down and put a crack in your windshield, so either put a towel down if it's your first time doing this, or just be very careful of your surroundings, or just hold it with one hand. You're going to take your new blade, line it up, and key it in. The longer blade goes on the driver's side, the shorter blade goes on the passenger side. I'll simply repeat the process. Pull up, square tab, lift up, and with that, you have replaced the front blades. Next time you hop in the vehicle and hit the stock, you can go ahead and reset them back into their normal position. With these all buttoned up, now let's head over to the rear and wrap up this DIY. To replace the rear blade, it's going to be the same process, minus the service mode. This one you can just pull towards you. And same thing as the front ones, there is a small square tab on here that you're going to depress to release the blade. Pull it up and out. And we can slide our new baby blade in there. And there you have it, my good people, another DIY in the books. Overall, a really straightforward and easy DIY, but definitely an important one to know, as windshield wiper blades are critical, especially if you drive in bad weather. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments on what we did today, or there's specific videos you want to see be done to this Golf R, leave them in the comment box below. If you like this DIY and you want to see more like them, please consider subscribing. We make new ones all the time. As always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.